The time is 5:58 p.m. We got Tri-Rail P637 here at the Fort Lauderdale station with a Palm Tree Scheme BL36. All right. Alright, here we go. P637 is now departing Fort Lauderdale. Alright, that was Tri-Rail P637 here at the Fort Lauderdale station. Alright, the time is 6:07 p.m.
PO90, have to arrive at Fort Lauderdale, sir.
Like you heard there, Amtrak PO97 is arriving in Fort Lauderdale station. House 42, 318 in the lead, and P42, DC 11 in the trail.
Platform clear, but clear, let's depart. Alright, PO97 departing Fort Lauderdale. Gonna clear Wayland 1 south. Clear Wayland 1 south there now.
Amtrak 97 has a clear at Wayland. St. Mary's River, Potomac, and here's your extra ambulance. Okay, so that was Amtrak's 97, and his extra am fleet has, on the right side, has a miss and mark light, so in replace for that, he's got a little flasher. That would be why it's on the rear, so it's getting work done. Alright, that was 97 here at Fort Lauderdale. Alright, the time, well, there's no time, but it's right behind, came right after the Amtrak. We got Tri-Rail P638 here at Fort Lauderdale station. He just made a hot rail, and he told them that their west side rear marker was burnt out, but they knew that. Ditch lights off. Alright, the time is 6:20 p.m. We have X302 here at Fort Lauderdale Station. Those Tri-Rails X302 that appeared to have approach limited because he was running on 45. Alright. Alright, the time is 7:51 p.m. We got Tri-Rail P645 here at Deerfield Beach Station.
Northbound train P644, boarding in approximately 5 minutes on track 2.
BL36 822. Alright, P645 is clear to go. Here goes the doors. There we go. 45 departing. Alright, that was P645 with 822 in the lead. And here comes Tri-Rail's P645. Hot rail. Looks like a Platinum cab car. Alright, P644 is now departing. Alright, that was Tri-Rail's P645 here at Deerfield Beach Station. Alright. Alright, the time is 8:21 p.m. We got Amtrak's BO41 here at the Deerfield Beach Station with the FRA DOTX 221 car in the rear. 336 and 320. Phase 7 coach class, Phase IVB, coach class, Phase IVB coach class, another Phase IVB coach class, and the Phase IVB cafe car. And the rest will be in a minute. Alright, here we go. Five zero 17 25075 25089 25090 28023 Nashville, Minneapolis River, Appalachian River, 879 UTX. Alright, that was Amtrak's PO41 here at Railfanning Station with the DOTX baggage car and the, not baggage car, but the FRA car in the rear, DOTX 221, and that Phase 7 baggage car along with some Phase 7 passenger equipment too. Alright.